Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy on LinkedIn and want to stop page owners from exporting your data, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest update that lets you control who can export your LinkedIn information, all from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or the word Me. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all your privacy and security preferences. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This section is all about controlling who can see your activity and information on LinkedIn. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Page Owners Exporting Your Data. Click on it to enter the settings for this specific feature. Here, you'll see a toggle or checkbox that says Allow Page Owners to Export Your Data. By default, this option might be enabled, allowing page owners to download certain information from your profile. To protect your privacy, simply disable this option. Click the toggle so it turns off, or uncheck the box if that's what you see. Once you've done this, page owners will no longer be able to export your LinkedIn data without your permission. And that's it! You've just taken an important step to secure your personal information on LinkedIn. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly review your privacy settings and stay updated with new features that help you control your data. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who wants to keep their LinkedIn profile more private. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.